Hi, my name is Kip, and today we're making homemade cinnamon rolls. We've now finished baking our cinnamon rolls, and in this clip we're going to show you how we apply the drizzle that we had just made. Now with drizzle, as we mentioned before, drizzle is different than frosting in that it is thinner and it is meant to drip over whatever you're going to drizzle, as opposed to a frosting which covers, like a cake is frosted and a cinnamon roll is drizzled. So you want a metal whisk like this. This is the proper way to do it, and you'll get a little drizzle on your, and you'll just run it over. And just drizzle until you have the amount on that you really want. And this is a vanilla drizzle that we had just made. And it looks like we made just about the right amount.